Let's check out this case for the OnePlus 11 from Fiendten. Gadget Beard. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech gadgets and accessories for you. And in today's video, we have a case. This is a TPU hard back shockproof case for the OnePlus 11. Has anti-slip matte slim protective coating on the back. Very generic casing, obviously casing, very generic packaging is what I meant to say. But without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the case from the packaging and see if it's any good. The reason why I picked this case is because I starting to like this style of cases here. I like the matted edges here. It's nice soft TPU PC and TPU combination, hard plastic shell on the back, soft rubberized PC on the edges. I like this frosted look on the back. It just looks really nice. Let's grab the OnePlus and see how this bad boy looks, and voila, look at that. Absolutely love that. So you do get some lip protection there, so you are protected. If you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface, that camera lens is not going to get scratched. I do recommend getting a screen protector, a tempered glass lens protector for that camera module, because it is a very big camera module there. Just for your information, the mute slider there is nice and accessible. No issues with the mute slider. Buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive, as well as the volume rocker. On the bottom, you do have all your proper cutouts, plenty of room there for a third-party charging cable if you need to charge. But why would you use a third-party charging cable when the OnePlus charging cable and charging brick gives you a tremendous high speed of charging? It is like 80 watts or something like that. It's ridiculous, or 120. It just charges this phone absolutely crazy. Speaker and mic all there, nice and precise. You do have a cutout here for a lanyard. If you look at the corners, you do have like anti-drop protection, air pocket technology there on the corners, so on all four corners, so that's good to see. On the top, you do have your cutouts there for both of your mics. I want to say that's a mic. If you know what that port is there, or that, I don't think it's an IR blaster, but if you know what that port is right here, let me know down in the comment section below. But other than that, this thing feels amazing. Yes, with sweaty hands and palms, this thing's gonna get slippery, but it's doing a very good job in mitigating fingerprints right now. It looks very nice. Absolutely like the aesthetic of this. And I almost forgot, you do have lip protection here at the bottom of the case, around the corners as well, and on the top of the case and around the corners, so you are protected. If you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, nothing's gonna happen. Now, this phone doesn't support wireless charging, so we can't see if it wirelessly charges through the case, but other than that, this thing looks absolutely amazing. As you can see, a little bit of my fingers got sweaty there, but it went away. If you want to pick one of these up, it's going to set you back $12.99. Link will be in the description of the video. If you have any comments regarding this case, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.